Hello everyone, today we will discuss transverse binary fission. So, the transverse binary fission is occurring from the animal paramecium. So, the transverse binary fission occurring from the paramecium. So, the transverse binary fission occurring from the paramecium. The transverse binary fission occurring from the paramecium. The transverse binary fission occurring from the paramecium. Next one. So, the paramecium is also called as slipper animalcule. So, the paramecium is also called as slipper animalcule. Slipper animalcule. So, the paramecium is also called as slipper animalcule. Slipper animalcule means, so the paramecium looks like a slipper. So, these are called as slipper animalcule. So, the transverse binary fission is occurring from the paramecium. So, the paramecium is also called as slipper animalcule. Paramecium is also called as slipper animalcule because of, so this structure is looks like a slipper shape. So, these are called as slipper animalcule. Next one. So, see that these are the paramecium diagram. So, the paramecium. So, the paramecium contain a hair-like structures, short hair-like structures. So, these are called as cilia. So, the paramecium contain a short hair-like structures. So, these are called as cilia. They are called as cilia. Next one. So, the paramecium they contain a micronucleus and macronucleus. The paramecium contain two nucleus, one small nucleus, another one is the large nucleus. So, the small nucleus is also called as micronucleus. The paramecium contain two nucleus, one size is small, another one is large. So, the small nucleus is called as micronucleus. Small nucleus is called as micronucleus. Next one. So, they are the large nucleus. So, the large nucleus is, so they are the macronucleus. Micro means small. So, macro means large. Micronucleus and macronucleus. Next one. The paramecium contain a contractile vacuoles. Food contractile vacuoles. So, one is the anterior side, another one is the posterior side. So, the anterior side contractile vacuole is called as anterior contractile vacuole. So, the anterior side presenting on the one contractile vacuole, another one presenting on the posterior side. So, the anterior side the contractile vacuole is called as anterior contractile vacuole. Anterior contractile vacuole. Next one, the contractile vacuole present on the posterior side. Contractile vacuole present on the posterior side. So, they are called as posterior contractile vacuole. Posterior contractile vacuole. One is the anterior contractile vacuole, another one is the posterior contractile vacuole. Next one. So, they are the groove. So, they are the opening. So, they are called as oral groove. So, they are called as, so cytopharynx is also called as cytopharynx. So, they are the oral groove. So, the oral groove opens into the cytostome. Stome means mouth. So, they are the cytostome. So, the finally the cytostome they are formation of food vacuole. The cytostome they are formation of food vacuole. So, they are the structure of the paramecium. Structure of the paramecium. Once again, the paramecium it looks like a slipper. So, these are called as slipper animalcule. The body covering by the short hair-like structures. So, they are the cilia. So, the cilia helps from the locomotion. Next one, the paramecium contain a two nucleus. One is a small, another one is large. The small nucleus is called as micronucleus. Large nucleus is called as macronucleus. Next one, the paramecium contain two contractile vacuoles. One is the anterior side, another one is the posterior side. So, the anterior side contractile vacuole is called as anterior contractile vacuole. So, the posterior side contractile vacuole is called as posterior contractile vacuole. Next again they are presenting on the oral groove, cytostome and food vacuole. So, they are the structure of the paramecium. Next one, so the transverse binary fission. Transverse binary fission. So, the transverse binary fission means, so they are the asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction means one cell divided into two cells, one mother paramecium, parent paramecium divided into two daughter individuals. So they are called as asexual reproduction. So the favorable conditions time, favorable conditions time, favorable conditions. So the asexual reproduction occurring the favorable condition, stop the feeding, stop the feeding. So the favorable conditions, the transverse binary fission, the favorable conditions, the paramecium stop the eating, stopping the eating. So the favorable conditions, the paramecium stop the feeding, stop the feeding. Next one, first step. So they are presenting on the, they are division occurring from the transverse. So they are the, so longitudinal. So these are called as straight, anterior to posterior, they are the longitudinal. So these division, so they are the transverse division. So they are the transverse division. So they are the cut into middle. So the favorable conditions time, first they are stopping to the feeding, stopping to the feeding. Next one, first step, the micronucleus. So macronucleus and micronucleus. First step, the micronucleus divided into two nuclei. The first one, the micronucleus divided into mitosis process. First step, micronucleus divided into mitosis. Mitosis process. So the micronucleus divided into mitosis process. The micronucleus is divided into two nuclei. Next one, after mitotic divisions, so the macronucleus, first step, micronucleus divided into mitosis process. After the macronucleus divided into amitosis, macronucleus divided into amitosis, divided into amitosis. First one, micronucleus divided into mitosis process, macronucleus divided into amitosis process. Mitosis process means, so the one cell is divided into two equal cells. So the amitosis means, so they are the unequal division. So they are the first step, micronucleus divided into mitosis process, macronucleus divided into amitosis process, amitosis process. Next point, so the oral groove is disappear. Next point, oral groove is disappear. Oral groove is disappear. So the oral groove is disappear. So the after micronucleus and macronucleus division after, so the oral groove is disappear. Oral groove is disappear. Next step, slowly the groove is appear. Slowly the transverse groove is appear. So this groove continue to the, so this side. So the parental cell divided into two equal cells. So the groove is appear. So this groove enters into the parent cell is completely divided into two daughter individuals. So the anterior is called as proter, posterior is called as opisce. Anterior daughter is called as proter. Anterior daughter is called as proter and posterior daughter is called as opisce. Is called opisce. Opisce. So the anterior daughter is called as proter and posterior daughter is called as opisce. So opisce, anterior daughter is called proter and posterior daughter is called as opisce. Next one, so the anterior daughter is a proter receiving from the parental anterior contractile vacuole. So the anterior daughter is called as proter. The proter receiving from the parent anterior contractile vacuole. Parent anterior contractile is receiving from the parent. So the posterior contractile vacuole. So they are the posterior daughter. So they are called as opistheal. So the opistheal receiving from the posterior contractile vacuole. Posterior contractile vacuole. So the anterior side is called as protar, posterior side is called as opistheal. See the diagram of the transverse binary fusion. So they are the anterior contractile vacuole. So they are the posterior contractile vacuole. So the first step, so the micronucleus divided into a mitosis process, macronucleus divided into a mitosis process. So the micronucleus divided into two daughter individual. So the macronucleus also divided into two daughter nuclei. So the next step, the oral groove is disappear. Next step, so the starting from the transverse groove is appeared. So the right side, so their transverse groove is appeared. So this side presenting on the anterior contractile vacuole. So this side presenting on the posterior contractile vacuole. So this groove slowly they are reaching to this angle to this side. So slowly the daughter individual, so the parent individual is divided into two daughter individuals. Slowly, so they are formation of two daughter individuals. So they are divided into two daughter individuals. So the anterior daughter individual called as protar. So the posterior daughter is called as opistheal. So the posterior daughter is called as opistheal. Anterior daughter is called protar. Posterior daughter is called as opistheal. So the anterior daughter receiving from the parental to anterior contractile vacuole. So posterior daughter receiving from the posterior contractile vacuole. So the protar, they are formation of newly posterior contractile vacuole. So the opistheal newly formation of anterior contractile vacuole, newly formation. So this is also presenting on the micronucleus and macronucleus. So these are called as transverse binary fusion. So the transverse binary fusion is occurring from the paramecium. So paramecium is also called as slipper animalcule because of this looks like a slipper. So they are called as slipper animalcule. So the favorable conditions, the paramecium stopping to the feeding. First step, the micronucleus divided into mitosis process, macronucleus divided into amitosis process. After the nucleus division, the transverse groove appear from the right side. So this groove enters into the right side to left side. The parent is divided into two daughter individuals. Anterior daughter is called protar, posterior daughter is called as opistheal. So the anterior daughter receiving from the parental anterior contractile vacuole. So the posterior daughter receiving from the mother to posterior contractile vacuole. Newly formation of posterior contractile vacuole, newly formation of anterior contractile vacuole. So they are the transverse binary fusion of paramecium. Next one, so this division is also called as homothetogenic fusion. So the transverse binary fusion is also called as homothetogenic fusion. They are the transverse binary fusion occurring from the paramecium.